Excellent brightness. D3S HID bulb features a 6000K diamond white, and its light output is 150% brighter than other bulbs for brilliant downward reflection. Great longevity. D3's bulbs reach the high production standard and perfect final inspection, providing a service life of 3,000 hours for long-lived illumination. Plug and play. Double-check your vehicle headlight type. D3's bulb only compatible with HID headlight assembly, not halogen type. Efficient power. 40% more mitigation compared to other bulbs. With super focused and bright beam, it produces a high concentration of light. Notice: please wear cotton gloves so you won't get any oily residue on the Xenon headlight, which will affect the brightness or cause burnout problem prematurely. Top reviews from the United States. So far so good. The lamps arrived with a set of kit gloves and instructions, relatively easy installation. For whom it may help, the passenger side is best accessed through the fender well splash guard. Tires turn to the left. A set of replacement retainers are available here, highly recommended for securing the splash guard. The driver side can be accessed directly once the airbox is removed. Removal requires removing the dust cover and rotating a collar that secures the lamp to the left, not the lamp itself.